Okay, so since I discovered Age of Joy, which is an amazing program, I've been curious. I bought this 8-bit Do Bluetooth controller, and it works amazingly well. But my question was, I've always loved games like dual stick control games like Robotron, Total Carnage, Smash TV, etc. Whether or not we could get dual joysticks working. And then I remembered years ago, I bought this PlayStation 2 adapter for this X Arcade, and I hooked it up to this Mayflash Bluetooth adapter, which is a PS2 to Android Bluetooth adapter. And I was able to connect the Quest 3 to that. And then I was at the same time able to have the 8-bit Do connected. And then it turns out actually you can have the right joystick work here and the left here. And that gives you an opportunity for dual joystick games. Kind of crude, but it does work, and I think it's kind of cool. Give you a demonstration. Rusty. And there we go. Anyways, there you go.